we saw why we need fonts and what fonts could do to a text, pretty much the design language. But other than fonts, there are a few other font styles that would make the font look different. Now we'll have a class called font class, which is an ugly name for a CSS class. Now here I'm gonna say font weight is bold. So this text became bold, whereas font weight normal is just normal text and it doesn't do, that is a default value. And there's something called font style. Normal is the default, so it doesn't do anything to the text. But font style italic changes the text to slanting text. Now there is another style called font variant. Normal is the normal, it's a default, but font variant small caps. Let's see what it does. Now just look at it. Now small caps, it is just not caps, or it is just not small, it is small caps, meaning it capitalizes the small letters. These are all small letters, right? Let me disable this code again. So these are all small letters. Now this small letter is changed to capital letters, but the size is still small. It didn't make this capital letter equal to this. So that's what font variant small caps does.